Hey, what's going on? Something a little different today. I went to the season opener of the Deerfield car show with my dad. So it's just going to be mostly cool cars and then no real talking. So this is the intro. I'm just going to roll the footage. Just did something a little different. Gonna try and hit a couple more car shows this summer and maybe do something vlog style related, but I don't know. This one's a little less vloggy, more just footage. So I'll catch you guys back at the end for the outro.
Not a real attention, we always do the Star Spangled Banner, the national anthem, which is happening.
Trust me, this thing's seen a lot of my ugly mugs, so don't worry about it.
All right. And that was it. Yeah, so I just wanted to take some footage of it. I wasn't really sure what to do with it, so I'll just put it out there. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like this. You want to see something more different like this, maybe do a little bit of something. I just thought of like an idea where I could like interview people at the car show and just ask them weird questions, but maybe I won't do that. Maybe I'll do like a thing where it's like I'll pick one person's car that I really like, sit there, ask them questions, and then do like some shots of their car. I don't really know yet. I'm not 100% sure. That's just an idea I thought of. But thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Thank you for sticking through to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe. All of my links down in the description below. Appreciate it. I'll catch you guys in the next one.